All right. Advent of code, day 4. Oh, that didn't load. Now we have a proper grid. Okay. No. Rolls of paper. Okay. Um, do do do. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That was slow, but oh well. Oh, okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm not really sure. Nope. Okay. Yeah, I was slow in typing, but this is not a bad problem. Uh, yeah. So, in fact, actually, looking at the time, I think I did very well. Anyway, yeah. So, definitely a problem that makes me glad I've got the fixed grid. I wish I didn't pause so many times as I was trying to remember the API. Ironically, I actually just reviewed this API before I started recording, but I was still unsure because I've not used it in like a year. But yeah, with this problem here, we just need to find the rules of paper, the at signs that have three or fewer rolls of paper neighboring them. Apparently, they're accessible by forklift. Sure. So that's not too bad with my library. I'm able to just parse the grid, iterate through everything in that grid, and it has a handy function to get all the neighbors. And that may or may not include diagonals. I want to include diagonals. So if we go through all of them, and we count how many adjacent locations have at symbols, we know how many rolls of paper there are, and we know how many are accessible. And then part two is really just the exact same thing, but thrown in a loop. And every time we see we can access a forklift or access a roll of toilet paper with the forklift, We just actually remove it and make sure we note that we made progress because eventually we're going to make an iteration we can't find anymore and we're done. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much all there is to it. This is a very easy problem. So yeah, nice for day 4. Glad to be done already, and I'll be back tomorrow.